what तुम्ही CM what was the purpose of the
Today, a delegation of the Disability Rights Association of Goa, comprising of 9 to 10 persons, we met the Honorable CM on the lot of pending issues. We met met the Honorable CM on the pending issues, which were there for the last many months. And some of the issues that were discussed were increasing the Dynamic Social Security pension, the cash award for sports persons. Then we also discussed the backlog. We also discussed about the backlog vacancies for persons with disabilities. About 1,000 vacancies, backlog vacancies should be there as per our information in government departments. Then also we discussed that the government should have a state policy for persons with disabilities, and about the Sanjay School Vocational Center, which was closed for the last which is closed for the last 3 years. That also we discussed. So about a 10-point demand we gave to the Honorable CM, and we are happy to announce that he gave us a very patient hearing, and all the members of the delegation spoke individually about their grievances, and he promised to give lot of jobs to individual the persons with disabilities also. He has promised to help with jobs or any other financial assistance. So we are grateful to the Honorable CM for taking out time of his busy schedule and giving us an appointment.